Forging in shorts and a t-shirt in -7 degrees Celsius is an absolutely awful idea. And today we're finding out if I can actually forge something in this terrible weather. But there's a catch. There are 3 rounds in this challenge, and each one will get progressively harder. So here's the plan, guys. We're forging 9 wall hooks. Why is it snowy? This is gonna be real fun. Just real fun. All right, let's fire this thing up. This propane thing is full of snow. Oh gosh, that's not good. Clean it out. My fingers are already freezing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm such a noob. Gotta like pump it a little bit, you know? I need a shovel. I'm actually fat. Oh, cameraman. The forge is working. This thing wants to work. We got matches. Are you? Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Can't feel my finger and I haven't even started yet. Oh. Ah! I've become so numb. I can't feel you there. Can't feel my fingers. That's what's numb right now. Poke you in there. There we go. Wiggle you out. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Nice and icy, just how I like it. I need salt. Number 1. Let's go. Let's go. All right, thin it out to a point. Oh, why does it sound so bad? Oh, that was ugly. Oh. Number 3. It's actually bad. I'm actually rusty. Thin it out to a little point. It's looking pretty nice. My back is in pain. Why would I be stressed when I know you made the way? Today. Ooh, that's looking pretty neat. Get your camera out of my ear. Come on. What is 19 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius? -7 degrees Celsius. Guys, that's pretty chilly. Get out of your stand. That's what I call my standard hook. Stand. It's kind of harder when it's cold. Well, guys, cameraman left to go get hot chocolate. Like, oh my gosh. That got awesome though. Holy airball. It's already cold. Oh, and that was way too. Can you please stay? Wait. I bet it's too short. That's too short. Oh, you're right in the way. I mean, oh my gosh. So all the hooks are looking mighty fine, and cameraman is still not out here. So I need to go find him. I mean, where the heck is that kid? He's been inside for like 20 minutes already. I'm in here. Oh yeah, so we just got hot chocolate. It's pretty great. Finished the first batch. Holy, I cannot talk.
I was going to excuse me.
Finished the first batch of hooks, but still, even though I can't feel my toes, this is too easy. So let's make things a little bit harder. Last round was too easy. We're stepping up the game. Ready? I'm gonna be changed. Huh! Guys, bad news. My mic stopped working for the rest of the video, but that's okay.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
So I went back outside. It's 18 degrees. I'm in a t-shirt. It is absolutely freezing. And to make things worse, my cameraman decided, because he's so nice, he's gonna splash snow on me when it's freezing cold. And I got really mad at him. But hey, those hooks still needed to be forged, so I started banging out those points, curl it over the tips, making it look mighty fine. And then I used this neat little jig I got to curve over the hooks in a precise way. And with that, I completed the 6th wall hook, and I was so excited that I started dancing. At this point, the cold was starting to catch up to me. I was getting so freezing. And with that, it was time to start round 3, the most difficult part of this entire project. I needed to forge 3 more hooks in shorts. Now guys, that was like the last thing I would have ever wanted to do that day, but guys, it's for the content. It's for the views, so if you don't mind, please subscribe. Support me, please. I mean, just look at how freezing I looked. I was like shaking all over. I put my tongs down for 1 second, and they landed straight up. I just thought that was so cool. Now these last few hooks that I was making, these were terrible. It was freezing. I could not feel my legs. I could not feel my toes. I could not feel my fingers. It was a terrible experience. At this point, I was so sick of making these hooks. I'd already been out there for over 2 hours, and I still had to make a couple more. After whining about the cold for a couple minutes, I jumped right back into it and started grinding out those last few hooks. After tweaking it a little bit, hook number 8 was complete, and I could move on to the final hook. After checking it real quick, I made some minor adjustments, and then the challenge was complete. I had forged 9 wall hooks in sub-zero temperatures.